He's taking his time. He's waiting.
Ahil Rana Airways.
Touch gloves, let's do it.
Without blinking, he has not taken his eyes off him for even one split second. Check this out now. Look at that. Oh wow!
Man.
Look at that. Slugfest instantly. He's taking his time. He's waiting. He's not landed a clean shot yet, but that's a good jab.
That Sanjeet brings in.
It's just timing. He broke his nose. And this is going to get worse.
Round two begin.
I love the fact.
Whoa!
Definitely broken.
And I think, oh man!
Huge shot. Massive.
Oh! Well, you have to give props to Shavana.
Maker.
Beautiful shots there from both gentlemen.
Whoa! We've seen a lot of straight punches between both these guys, and they're all in, exchanging heavy level.
Because very nice overhand right by close. It more or less.
Well,
Sanjeet throwing in a body shot.
Big body shot. He hurt him with that one. The liver shot hurt him. Touching him over and over. You see that he missed him there. Both fighters swings and misses by minor margins, but a couple of those body shots landed by Budhwar, and that right, straight right, that has been the determining round.
and that was the punch that put Sanjeet onto the ground.
That's the one that dropped him, and that's what started the ball rolling, right hand. But the body shots and the jabs, that's what I want to see more from Sanjeet Budhwar, because that jab was hurting. I think Sanjeet Budhwar got his timing back, he got his concentration back, started landing that jabs, and Sham had started getting a little sloppy. That's the shot to the liver. He cracked him so clean in that exchange. If that just a few more shots and we might have seen a finish there. Incredible, incredible action. The green trunks and Bisht in the white.
कोशिश कर रहे हैं एंगेज होने के लिए, कोशिश कर रहे हैं रेंज असेस करने के लिए, और एक और बहुत ही बढ़िया, बहुत ही शानदार प्रदर्शन.
Ozukum came in, stepped in. It was that body kick which led to the people didn't know anything, and now look at them. They know, they understand. Oh wait, armbar attempt. But he's going to spike him on his head. Very nicely done. Took that opportunity right in both his hands. The armbar attempt here. He tried to spike him on his head. Very nicely done. Beautiful, thundering leg kick. Good start to the round by Aminder Bisht, where he gets it in. Spinning back kick attempt. Nothing concrete as such, but I think the most significant shot of that round was that leg kick, which got the attention of Aminder Bisht and put him on the back foot. That might not have felt good. If he sets up that jab, a 1-2 combination, that's what I mean. That's what we just talked about. He cannot throw that leg kick. Which now you can see his stance is low. He's catching that kick every time it comes to him.
बहुत अच्छे तरीके से अपना होमवर्क करके आए हैं अमिंदर बिष्ट. और ये
Huge right hand! What a counter! Catches him coming in and puts him to... Nothing concrete as such, but I think the most significant shot of that round was that leg kick, which got the attention of Aminder Bisht and put him on the back foot.
Yes, just the one female fight, that too in the atomweight division. Let's get the fireworks started.
To the cup by Ishita, but the referee saying nothing doing, and Ishita looking for a judo trip there. Invariably loses control of that takedown, and into mount is Ishika, landing shots from the top. But again, good job by Tenzin. She bucks her hips and gets out of that mount.
High clinch mein knees.
These women are just swinging for the fences here. It's a lot of telegraph shots, but the attempt is incredible. Very nicely done.
तो यहाँ पे रेफरी रंजीत वार्न करते हुए कि
look at that. The neck is not the one to worry about. It's the arm that goes across and goes behind the head. Now she's completely out of it. She has no control. Spears behind the head. It's over. You can see this technique beautifully done. But wait a minute, hang on. Was that a tap out?
Let's look at the action replay.
Okay, she got her right hand underneath. She did tap, even though the left hand was not locked behind the head.
Step back, let's do it.
इस फाइट की शुरुआत दोनों ही फाइटर्स ने ग्लव्स टच किए.
Immediate opening leg kick by Praveen. No, Rahul, I have a prediction for this fight. Let Praveen eat his inside leg kick. Very nice kick to the... Good combination there. Tomar tried to egg him on. Nice hook attempt there. But nice. Crazy. Take a look at that. Tomar landed a very nice right hand.
And I think, oh man, wow,
Big shot swings. Both fighters swinging at the 10-second mark here. Well, let's find out. Third and final round. Oh, that liver kick. Watch out. He might be hurt with that liver kick. And you know, a lot of veterans use that move as well.
मात्र 10 seconds से भी
Oh,
कम।
head kick. He scored all the points throughout. Look at that. This round, if you see the replay, those leg kicks were the story of round 2. You saw a lot of leg kicks. You saw a lot of good shots to the leg. And then Tomar comes over, boom, lands that left hook, catches his attention. This was towards the end of the round. Beautiful lunging hook. And it was a left and a right. Take a look at the replay of that. Again, it was, he landed a bunch of low kicks, and that was the one that was caught. Beautiful ball shot to the body. And when I spoke to Praveen, he expected.
Well, that's excellent. Oh man, that was another kick. हमारे साथ अजय पयाल और इनके विरुद्ध हैं रेड कॉर्नर में कपिल कुमार.
Keep his back off the cage because right now, big elbow. Knee attempt. The get-go, Ajay started. He knew his strategy was to 1-2 hand was on the fully a grounded opponent. Bang.
फाइट उनके कॉर्नर में हो. एक बहुत बड़ी गलती वो ये कर रहे हैं कि वो जाके
Very nice body shot, and he might be actually looking for Ajay to bait it. Look at that. See, Ajay is getting a little sloppy right now, and he's looking to land those elbows position on. You can see the way Kapil is holding it. Flying knee attempt there. Spinning back kick. Very nice, but again shot in at the time where round 2. It's a bit of sloppy striking to kind of get control and look to close the distance, but more of the same by Kapil Kumar from round 1. Defended the takedown for the longest time, but that was the illegal knee which led to a point deduction, which is going to be interesting to see how that pans out in the judges' scorecards. But overall, I would say Kapil Kumar landed the most significant strikes, tried to land a jumping knee there, but was unsuccessful, and eventually got taken down at the end of the round. But this is what I mean, is Ajay is now, finally, there we go. Ajay finally gets into the ground. In the first round, he was looking for it. Here we go. Slam time, but boom. No, it's the body language of him. You can see what he did in the third round. It was the slam which started it again. The ground and pound, the control overall. Front kick! He caught him on the chin, straight up, and cement this fight. But look at that. That was that front kick, which I thought stunned his opponent, and I wish he followed up with some strikes. We could have seen a finish here. But kudos to Ajay. He put on a great show. And I think that was the end when Jim Purdia said, wait, the fight's over, don't slam him.
Touch gloves back to your corners.
In his own right.
Whoa!
Masvidal style comes in, but he catches him with a big right hook. Dibenda immediately trying to get this fight to the ground. I mean, that was the start. A la Masvidal, but catches a big shot to the chin. And that's a beautiful right counter. Drops Dibenda, but this is where it got interesting. The ground game is where we spoke about Dibenda having the slight advantage. Look at Sahil Rana's legs. He looks like he's been playing rugby. Big left hook.
Dropped him
Clean, but look at that. Look at that. Reversal, and Sahil Rana smartly recognizing that. Switches again, beautiful. Dumps him on the ground. Sahil Rana looking to pass guard. But Dibenda reversing position here. As soon as they were on the feet, Rana had the advantage, cracks him with the left hook, drops him straight to the mat and gets into top control. But you can see the veteran experience there of Dibenda immediately. Switches it around.
And that low kick.
He doesn't want to be standing in front of a kickboxer.
Big right. You can't be doing that with Sahil Rana. You can't tease him with those.
But Sahil Rana looking sharp and precise there.
Sloppy shots.
You can't stand in front of a kickboxer with your hands down. Big. Front kick. Just nudges his chin, pushes him up against the cage. Over and over head kick, as fresh as he was in round number 1. But now, hang on, dumps him to the mat immediately. Round number 2 again, similar. Sahil Rana just finding takedown after takedown. Sahil Rana's got him here.
Whoa! What goes up comes down. Sahil Rana.
But again, every time he got a hold of him, he got the takedown and over slammed him to the mat.
Oh,
That was more of a slip than a knockdown. Again, Rana takes him for a ride.
well, that's one big ride to Sahil Rana Airways.
He's got him down again, but back to his feet immediately.
A short elbow here by Sahil Rana, going for another takedown. And welcome to Sahil Rana Airways. Drops him down. बहुत ही शानदार round number 2 space. Now this is the point wherein he takes off with Sahil Rana Express or Sahil Rana Airways, drops him down.
Just it seems like a matter of time. But you know, there's an old argument about this. If you're so dominant,
Oh, bam! Once again.
now he's proving my point here, because if you're so dominant in a fight over and over again,
Well, that's another one. That's another one.
there might be a little bit of fight left in him now.
Well, he's still persistent. And
There you go. Now he lands some beautiful elbows there. He's slamming him in his corner. Babajit right there, giving him all the advice he needs.
oh,
Tries to get a head kick there, but Chris Devenda now tried to get control. But Sahil Rana just too smart, just too skilled, and just the pressure. I would be happy to have a highlight reel created for him automatically.